Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Apple's latest innovation, the iPad Air. This device is a powerhouse, packed with fantastic features that make it a must-have for anyone looking for a high-performance tablet. Let's start with the display. The iPad Air boasts a 10.9-inch liquid Retina display and LED backlit multi-touch screen with IPS technology. This means you get sharp, vivid colors and exceptional brightness at 500 nits. Now your movies and games will come alive like never before. Moving on to the camera, the iPad Air is equipped with a 12MP wide camera. It offers digital zoom up to 5x, so you can capture all the details you love in your pictures without compromising on quality. And who doesn't love taking selfies? The front-facing TrueDepth camera lets you do just that. Powering it all is Apple's Send-to-Chip. This means seamless performance and fast processing speeds for all your apps and tasks. The iPad Air also comes with 8GB of RAM, ensuring multitasking is smooth as silk. And if you have an Apple Pencil Pro or an older Apple Pencil USB-C handy, you can use them with this device too. The iPad Air supports both styluses for those who love to sketch or write on their tablet. And let's not forget about the fingerprint-resistant oleophobic coating. Keeping your screen clean from fingerprints has never been easier. So there you have it, folks, the iPad Air. A perfect blend of power and convenience in one sleek package. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and stay updated on all the latest in tech.